Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Not Myself from Adventure Time, Fiona and Cake. The chords that you're going to need to know for this song are C, F, G, D minor, G7, E minor, and A minor. The strumming pattern for this song is going to be the same for the whole song. So what it's going to be is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So let's start by looking at the first two lines because the chord progression is going to be the same for them. So we're starting on C, and for C and F, we're going to just do the pattern down, down, up, down once each, and then the G is going to get it twice. So here's what the first line sounds like. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm not really feeling like myself today. 2. Then we go on to the next line. So let's do the first two lines together. And let's slow it down just a little bit. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm not really feeling like myself today. Hated every job I've had, what's wrong with me? Now for the next two lines, we're going to have D minor and then G, and each one of those is going to get 2 repetitions of our pattern. So let's try those two lines. 1, 2, ready, go. Every day's the same, painfully mundane. And then for our next line, we have D minor, G7, G. The D minor is going to get 2 repetitions of that pattern. G7 is going to have it once, and then for G, we're just going to strum once and let it hang. So let's try that line. 'Cause I'm running from my feelings and my fear of sudden change. Now we're on to our second verse, and these first two lines are exactly the same as the first two lines in the first verse. So let's just go straight through those. 1, 2, ready, go. Every time I leave my room, I wanna die. Even when I'm with my friends, I'm alone inside. Now for Nothing Really Matters, we're going to be on an E minor, once again playing it twice, and then I Don't Know What's Sadder is going to be on an A minor, once again also playing it twice. 'Cause nothing really matters, and I don't know what's sadder. And then this line is also a repeat of one of the lines from the first verse, so let's go straight through that. The fact I even try, or that my hopes and dreams are shattered. And we are already to the ending. This part is going to be basically the same as the first line of the entire song, except we're going to end on a C on the hey, and we're just going to strum that once and let it ring out. I'm not really feeling like myself today. Hey. And that should be all we need to know, so let's go ahead and do a full run through. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm not really feeling like myself today. Hated every job I've had, what's wrong with me? Every day's the same, painfully mundane. 'Cause I'm running from my feelings and my fear of sudden change. Every time I leave my room, I wanna die. Even when I'm with my friends, I'm alone inside. 'Cause nothing really matters, and I don't know what's sadder. The fact I even try, or that my hopes and dreams are shattered. I'm not really feeling like myself today. Hey. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful, and I hope you had fun, and I hope you're enjoying Fionna and Cake, because it's so exciting that it exists. It's so cute. Please leave comments, subscribe, like, all that jazz. I'm definitely going to be doing more Fionna and Cake stuff, so make sure you stick around for that. Alright, I'm going to go back to playing the new season of Splatoon. Bye! Also, I chose to wear this sweater today because it has little bear ears. So cute.